Hello class and welcome to our very last lecture on managerial accounting, and I'm your instructor Jamal Haider. So today we are having a review lecture. So unfortunately we don't have much students, only one student here. So and she also says no more questions. So I would be only explaining the final exam, how it's gonna be, and what things going to be included. So our final exam is going to be on 29th of December during the class, same timing. The exam is not more than, I think, 2 hours. So the paper pattern going to be the same. We will be having part 1 and part 2. So part 1 going to be true, false, and multiple choice questions like we did in our midterm. So I would be also uploading its answer sheet, so you don't have to worry about writing the answers. So I would be giving more time to you guys to understand the question and just write it down, the final answer, like we did in midterm. So the reason is that why? Because I want to make it more standardized. Plus, due to this time restriction, so I would be uploading this answer sheet as well. So I hope you know the philosophy behind the time restriction. So I need to narrow down the window of opportunity to cheat, so that we can create a just and fair evaluation of the subject. So that's all pretty much. So part 2 gonna be, of course, numerical question. The same, these type of question that we normally do in our exam, in our assignment. And remember, the final exam is 30% of your total overall evaluation, right? So lucky you who attended the uh, all the lectures and fulfilled the class activities, group activities. 10%, 30% for assignment, 30% for mid, 30% of the final. And those who applied for self-study, for them there is no 10% for attendance. They're going to be 40% of assignment, 30% mid, 30% final. Okay, so that's all for the review and the paper pattern video. I would be uploading its link. And if you still have any question, please do write us in our WeChat group. You can also email me before the exam, of course, and I would be happy to answer. Okay? Until then, take care. Bye-bye. See you on exam day.
Thank you.
Good luck. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.